Hello there to all the lovely fashion enthusiasts as well as bride to be. I am Kriya, not a fashion blogger but a startup entrepreneur. So ideally, I am getting married this December, that is 7th December, and I am doing my wedding trousseau online. So I am shooting this video so that जो भी brides है who are getting married in the coming 6, 8 or 12 months and who are really concerned कि वो लोग अपनी shopping कैसे करेंगे and how things are going to work out. This video is for all of them. Also not just for brides but anyone who wants to shop online, it is for them. But ideally it is for the ones who are doing their trousseau shopping, and it is going to be one of the dream come true when you have to shop for your wedding trousseau. And अचानक से ये pandemic ने सब चॉप कर दिया. So I was really excited. मैं यहाँ जाऊँगी, ये shop करूँ. But it did not happen. Typically, I am home, stuck at home, not being able to shop anything, not being able to go anywhere. So I'm doing this video so that I can add a lot of value to all those people who are really disheartened कि अब wedding trousseau shopping कैसे करेंगे. So मैंने अपनी wedding trousseau shopping start कर दी है. I am doing it all online right now. So I thought कि if you all can get more value from me. Also, I'm not an aspiring fashion blogger, so no chance I'm doing anything in fashion right now. Yeah, startup, yeah, entrepreneurship is something which my forte is. So I will be doing something in that. But ideally, fashion blogging is not my forte. So it is not because I want to become a fashion blogger, but it is because मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो भी whatever I'm doing should be sent across to people so that you all can have a lot of more value from me. So this video is where I'll be talking about how I'm doing my wedding trousseau online, how you can try and buy things online, and what are the sites that you should buy from. Also, 2-3 mistakes भी की है while buying, so I have been cheated and wrong product and all those. I'll be sharing all those as well in this video so that you know that at least these 3-4 websites is what you should never trust on. And my top picks, at least for now, I'll be doing part 2 if I find something more exciting. But at least in this video, I'll be talking about how to do it and what are my top picks and which sites you should at least not go to. Okay, so let's start the video. I'm typically very bad at all these fashion tips wala videos, so please bear with me. I'll start with my top picks from where I am typically shopping right now. So the very first is Ajio. I have loved their collection. Also, they give cash on delivery, so you don't have to worry about prepaid orders. Also, their delivery comes really quick. Ajio में there is this few brands which I really love. उसमें से one is IndiePix. So it is all about Indian wear, Indian fusion wear, and that brand is really has that Indian taste. So if anybody has taste like me, which goes into fusion, जहाँ पे you like the hand block print and you like a little of Gamki print and all those. So IndiePix is for you. It is by Ajio, so if you can directly go and write IndiePix, you will get there. Also, when it comes to jewelry, you can also get very good silver jewelry and different antique jewelry on Ajio. So I have also ordered jewelry from Ajio, and I love jewelry, as you can see. I keep on wearing different types of jewelry. So Ajio is very good for all your bottom wear as well. I have ordered jeans as well, and they are typically very good, appropriate fit. They have Levi's, Spiker, all good brands, and right now they have sale as well. Ideally, they have sales throughout the year. It is by Reliance, so उसमें sales आते ही रहेंगे. But ideally, they have good amount of sale right now. So I think Ajio is my very first pick. I have ordered so many things from Ajio. So you can directly try Ajio without thinking at once. The second one that I recently discovered, So Myntra was really, I stopped buying from Myntra some time ago because I did not like their collection so much. It was very, very sober. But now there's this new brand from Myntra that is Tavi, Taavi, and it is so, so, so good. It has that bohemian touch, if you like that. It also has that fusion wear touch. So it's very good to buy from Tavi. It is ideally cotton or all those breed ka cloths they have, and the cloths are really good. I have ordered quite a few from them. Also, their belts are very good. Tavi ke footwears are amazing. I have not seen those Gampi print footwears since a long time, and my taste is so much that. So, Tavi is a big, big yes for anyone who is keen on buying those fusion wears. Also, Myntra is good for various different things you can buy from, but उसमें बाकी सारी चीज़ें is very plain and very simple. So I don't like very common clothes. So Tavi is one brand that I would really suggest. Sasafaraz is also very good in terms of Myntra, so you can try that in terms of Myntra. Fusion is also there, which is very good. Let's move to Shein. So I have ordered a lot from Shein, but now it has got banned. So anyone who is from overseas and not India can buy from Shein. I have ordered anything and everything from Shein. So I think Shein is a really good brand if you can order from it. I should not actually talk about it, so please don't report my video if I'm talking about Shein, but it was really good in terms of collection, and I hope all girls will agree to me. So Shein is something which I would recommend if you are not from India. The fourth brand for handbags ideally. So I prefer Tata Click for handbags, and it has vest side, pantaloons and all those. So if you are seeking for formal wear as well, you can go to Tata Click. But I have ordered handbags ideally from Tata Click. So Tata Click is good for handbags. I would recommend only for handbags because मैंने कुछ order नहीं किया है वहाँ से. So you can go for Tata Click for handbags. Next, I think I have also ordered from Street Style Store and Street Style Stock both, and both of them are good. Sometimes a product comes wrong from one of them. Street Style Stock का product कभी कभी wrong आता है, but ideally both of them are good, very affordable, and they are really good. So Street Style Store and Street Style Stock, they both are very good. I don't know. These are my top picks. Ajio, very big fan of Ajio. Myntra, Tavi especially, and they both are affordable. Ajio and Myntra pay to get really good clothes in an affordable range. So I think they both are really good. Tata Click for bags. You can try clothing as well. I have never tried it. I believe. Shein of course, but I will not name it because I cannot order it anymore from Shein. Street Style Store and Street Style Stock, they both are good. And Myntra and Ajio both give you cash on delivery. Tata Click do not give you cash on delivery, so you will have to prepay it for your orders. So you can try both of them if cash on delivery is a barrier that you face. Also, Street Style Store and Street Style Stock both give you cash on delivery, so you can try both of them. Now, here comes the time where I'll be talking about the mistakes that I've done when it comes to buying from various platforms. There's this account called as Fashion Fluid Care, and they were a wrong choice on my end. उनके end से कोई revert ही नहीं आया. I paid them directly as soon as I placed an order. It was really in an affordable range, so I placed an order. I thought, let me try. अगर वो चल जाता है तो well and good. Traditionals I can order from there, but they were a wrong choice. Fashion Fluid Care is their name. Please don't order from them. I'll link it down here if you feel you want to know which Instagram account I'm talking about. Second is Charles Secret. So they are a clothing brand, and they give you such fancy clothes on their website. It is a scam ideally. They give you so good clothing on their website in 400, 500, and then as they come, it is typically way wrong from what you see on their website. So if you see a bodysuit, you will get a bikini in place of a bodysuit. So if you get their advertisements, they are very heavy on advertisements. So don't get into that trap. It is Charles Secret, and it is very pathetic. They are like a scam. Um, so a big no to Charles Secret. There's this brand called as Clodina, and that also had so amazing clothes. You see the clothes and the amount that they put in. Any fashion person would be tempted to buy them, but they show you something and they send you just a piece of cloth. कपड़ा भेजते वो लोग. So they are also scammers. Don't buy from them. Clodina is a big no. A wrong brand. You should never buy from them. And the fourth one, this is the last one. There's this one stop or daily shop. उनके अलग अलग नाम है. They don't have an Instagram account. Even Clodina and Charles Secret do not have an Instagram account. They do a lot of marketing on Instagram, but Charles Secret is on Facebook. Clodina, I don't know if it is there or not. The last one that I'm talking about is Daily Object, Daily Shopping, Daily Shop. They have different names, and they give you electric appliances for way too cheap. So there was this curler your hair strand goes into, and it curls very easily. That was just around 300, 400, and I'm not talking about all these just from my experiences. I'm talking about from various different people ka experiences as well, and they were a scam. They did not revert back. Neither उनका कोई message आया after the payment. So I think that is also a big no for you all to buy from. So there are four brands that I'm talking about which are big no. Fashion Fluid Care, Daily Shop, One Shop, all those, उसका ऐसा ही कुछ नाम है. They keep on changing the name. Clodina, Charles Secret. These four, please don't buy from them if you really want to save your money. And I'll just quickly talk about a few tips on how to buy online. So ideally, a lot of you might be scared how to think, how to figure out measurements and all those. So ideally, what I do is you have different sizes for different types of clothing, right? So कभी भी उस हिसाब से मत जाओ. Check the size chart, measure it. So I always have a measuring tape whenever I buy online. So measure it according to your body, whichever part you need to measure it and see what size chart it goes into. If it is 40, order 41 वाला. अगर 40 exact नहीं है तो try ordering 1 inch more, because online shopping is sometimes a little difficult, but this trick works for me. So ideally this is what I do and this is what you should do. And one thing, you should always have your measuring tape while buying online. So I think these can help you really well. And जितने भी मैंने बताया है उसमें से सिर्फ टाटा क्लिक ऐसा है which does not have cash on delivery. All others have cash on delivery. So make sure you do cash on delivery, because these things are scams these days. Online shopping has started so many scams that it can take tons of your money. So I hope this video helped you a lot. Happy wedding, Chuzo, and keep shopping. Tell me if you have more good brands to shop from, and I am trying if I can do all my wedding Chuzo online. All these websites that I talked about do traditional and Indian both, right? But I have not done a lot of Indian wear shopping, and I am typically on the western side these days. So I am doing my western shopping online right now. Indian will come धीरे. So I'll tell you if I am doing my Indian wedding shopping, Chuzo shopping online as well. And till then, happy shopping, happy wedding Chuzo, and please don't be disheartened. It's okay. Me and you both are in it together. So we'll sail through and we'll have great wedding. All the way best. Bye.